The Utah Center for Legal Inclusion, or UCLI, is all about advancing inclusion within the legal profession and across Utah's entire professional community. This year we are very excited and proud to introduce the Utah Legal Inclusion Award, which is an award that honors the people and organizations doing just what UCLI is meant to do. They're demonstrating commitment to fostering belonging and opportunity in the workplace and actually creating lasting, meaningful change. This year, we're very proud to recognize the Intermountain Health Legal Department for their leadership in this space. Since UCLI started, Intermountain Health's legal team has been an engaged supporter of our programs. They have participated in the UCLI certification program year after year, and they take the goals really seriously and have a real impact. Last year, they signed on as a UCLI sustaining sponsor, promoting the expansion of education and mentoring programs in the state. Their attorneys are active volunteers in many of these programs and make a real difference for the students that they work with.
Over the past 5 years, our legal department has been on an inclusion and belonging journey that's really tied to Intermountain Health's value, we are better together. And as a team, we focused on building true inclusion and belonging by educating ourselves, strengthening community partnerships, and opening doors. And we very intentionally built partnerships and sought certifications that would further our commitment to ensuring meaningful access to leadership and growth opportunities. And we are honored to be the inaugural recipient of the Utah Legal Inclusion Award. UCLI has played such a vital role in our journey. We love working with them and supporting such an amazing organization.
I think inclusion and belonging are fundamental to who we are as a legal department and how we show up for our communities, our clients, and each other.
Beyond simply supporting existing programming, Intermountain Health has innovated and created the change they want to see. In 2022, Intermountain Health, in partnership with Curtin McConkie, launched the Utah Legal Inclusion Fellowship, an impactful program that is still ongoing to this day. And that is improving professional opportunities for law students and changing the course of their lives for the better.
In the summer of 2022, I was applying to different opportunities in between my 1L and my 2L years at law school. And I applied to 113 different job opportunities. I got 112 rejections back, and I got 1 acceptance through the Utah Legal Inclusion Fellowship. And it was the best opportunity that I could have wished for out of those 113 applications. Being an Inclusion Fellow was a really meaningful experience for me. I learned a lot. I think most valuable for me was the opportunity to be able to interact with mentors. I really enjoyed my time working with Intermountain. Getting some practical application to the things I was learning was probably the best thing that could have happened to me.
I'm an attorney at Intermountain Health, and I participated in the UCLI Utah Legal Student Mentor Program. The first year that I did that a couple years ago, Gloria was my mentee. First, I just thought it would be a good experience to get to know some law students. I remember being in their shoes. Well, everyone tells you go to law school, you can do a lot of things with a degree, but nobody really gives you a whole lot of guidance on what's going to happen once you get that degree. Another reason was because this specific mentorship program is run through UCLI, and the goal is to increase inclusion and belonging in the legal profession in Utah. That's something that's also very important to me.
It was awesome being a mentee with the Utah Law Student Mentoring Program. It was honestly, I think, my first experience with an assigned mentee that felt organic. Chris did a really great job, and also I think it provided a lot of really concrete mentoring opportunities in terms of interviews and just getting a feel for the Utah legal community and finding a place where I felt like I belonged, and Chris made me feel like that would happen. So it was awesome.
We are very honored to present our first Utah Legal Inclusion Award to the Intermountain Health legal team, and are very grateful for their ongoing support and impact in creating greater opportunities for people of all backgrounds in Utah's legal field and beyond.